Hi everyone, it's Michelle, one of the KPBSD Effective Instruction Coaches. What you see are the steps of the direct instruction lesson model designed by good old Madeline Hunter, an educator and researcher back in the 1990s. It is relevant in 2020, and I'm sure you recognize all of these steps. Step 1 is all about getting students ready for the learning, connecting the new learning to the prior learning. Step 2, setting the learning objective and why, is all about being super clear about what you want students to know and be able to do and why. In step 3, the teacher provides the direct instruction, modeling exactly what it should look like. Steps 5 and 6, checking for understanding and guided practice, are interchangeable. As you watch students practice, you are checking for understanding. Guided practice allows for immediate and relevant feedback from the teacher. Step 7 is when students deliberately practice the new skill or learning. Last and super important is closure, that opportunity to reflect on the learning in some way. Remember that the brain remembers first and last best. Not including some kind of closure in the lesson is a missed opportunity to reinforce the learning. So, teachers today might think that the Madeline Hunter model is antiquated, favoring new, more modern models. However, John Hattie's meta-analysis found each component of this model above the tipping point. Anything over a 0.40 has a greater than average influence on achievement. So there you have it. Check out those numbers. Hope this information was helpful.